I'm Mark, president of the Nevada Northern Railway here in Ely, Nevada, and I'd like to welcome you to this episode of Iron Horse Cookery. You know, everyone knows preserving the steam locomotives is very important, but it's actually the story of the people. During the day, these guys would work 16-hour days, didn't take a break for lunch or dinner. So what they did is they actually cooked on the locomotive. So what we're going to do is recreate different recipes that they would have used during the days, and we've also thrown in a couple of modern twists. So sit back, relax, enjoy this episode of Iron Horse Cookery.
We're going to see if we can cook some eggs here, guys. I'm just going to take some butter here, stick form. Don't use spread butter as it's got extra oils in it, and it'll do weird things. So you want to use butter, thick butter. I tend to prefer unsalted. You can see my shovel's already pretty hot. John, how do you like your eggs?
That don't matter.
Well, pick one.
Over easy.
Over easy. See if we can do over.
Well, either that or a scramble, doesn't matter.
I'm going to try not to scramble it because that's a pain in the butt to clean off the shovel.
Oh, alright.
So,
Well,
yep. Alright, we got some butter here going pretty nice, and I'm just going to crack that right in the middle. She slides. Look at that. What I'm doing here is just collecting it. It's kind of hard to see, I know, from the camera angle, but you can see it's kind of cooking back in this corner, which probably is a good place other than out here, but see if we can get it to cook through without burning the bottom of it. Alright, there we go. The bottom's a little... Ooh, yeah, listen to that sizzle. I'll tell you, spatula, go, on a shovel is kind of difficult. A little bit more butter, a little bit more heat. Get better there. One-handed egg cracking. Right there yet. Already got one on. I think I'm losing all the hair off the back of my hand. The heat coming out of that door is quite hot.
Oh, it's not that hot.
How are they?
Here's a new recipe. Eggs Iron Horse.
Well, there we go. Eggs cooked on a shovel. Only in the Iron Horse Cookery.
Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed this episode of Iron Horse Cookery. The cookbook is available in our gift shop or online at NNRy.com. Check it out, have fun, and by all means come visit us at the Nevada Northern Railway right here in Ely, Nevada.